I'm Tommy with Duramax Tuner, and today we're going to install an actuator on a Stealth L5P. Tools you're going to need are a 1/4 inch pound torque wrench, a 1/4 inch with a 10 mil socket, deep or short, doesn't matter, and you're going to want a 4 mil Allen. What you're going to want to do to start, get your actuator, and this works on a normal OEM turbo, changing out an actuator on there, or with our Stealths that come with custom length rods to go with it. But so you're going to want to start, get your actuator, get some tape, doesn't matter what kind, rip about a 1/4 inch thick strip off it, and then you're going to take your actuator arm nut, which is going to come off your old actuator, and you're going to want to place it right on the tape, stick it on there so it holds. There is a cutout on the bottom of the actuator arm that the nut fits in nice and snug to hold it, so you don't have to worry about the nut when you're tightening. And just wrap your tape around. You don't got to worry about it going nowhere. And then you're just going to want to hold your arm down as such to slide her in to your cover. I then peel the tape open a little bit, just enough to get your rod down in there, and that's where your 4 mil Allen's coming in handy. And then just get that started enough to where you can take the tape off and you don't got to worry about your nut falling off. And then you're going to want to go through and start putting all your mounting nuts on. And that's where your 10 mil socket's coming. Get them all nice and snug. For this last nut, you have to hold the arm forward so you can get to it. Then you're going to torque all 4 of those down to 135 inch-pounds. I do it in a cross pattern to make sure it seats flat, and then go back and tighten up your actuator arm, and that'll bottom out so you don't have to worry about torquing that down. That's how you install an L5P actuator on OEM and our Stealth. This has been Tommy with Duramax Tuner.